Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a, out of a 1956 Chrysler 300 Coupe. This comes from Phantom Electronics in Thousand Oaks, California. Thank you very much to my friends at Phantom for your business. And we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. A customer has requested the modern internal FM conversion with Bluetooth and an aux input. And so we're here to make sure everything's working. Now, one thing I need to point out here is, as is often the case with these older radios, the tone control is no good. It's got a broken internal wiper. So anything that needs to be done with the tone control, I have reassigned the original fader to be a switch between whether this is going to be the volume control or the tone control. And now I'm going to demonstrate the whole thing on the video. Don't worry about that. But basically, anytime you need to use a tone control, you rotate this all the way to the left, and then your volume control becomes a tone control. It also becomes your front rear fader control and your left right balance control. It's all contained it's all contained in the tone control, which is what this is right now because I've got this set to tone position. Once you make your tone adjustments and your volume or your balance and fader adjustments, then you put this back all the way counterclockwise, and then once again this is the volume control. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I believe I have it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so just turn it on.
Responsible.
Okay, there's our
and have just
AM radio. So let's go ahead and first thing we'll do, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
2 years.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. She'll come back in 45 seconds or 90 seconds saying pairing not completed. So let's go ahead and switch over to FM. And I've got all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So off on.
Perfect credits and not so perfect. The enemy had done a great deal to accomplish.
LibertyMutual.com.
Okay, there's our AM station, or there's our FM presets. Now I'm going to go back to AM because it's going to take a little while to demonstrate the tone and balance fader controls, and I don't want any copyrighted material playing during that time. So let's go back to AM talk radio.
That's been its own tragedy.
Okay,
but
so now we're going to turn this into the tone control, and we rotate this all the way to the left, the outer knob, all the way to the left,
and
this volume control is now a tone control.
From the vaccine, you're just not aware.
A little more bassy there. Better treble there.
Today.
Okay, now we're going to demonstrate the virtual front rear fader. We start with our control to the left, rotate it twice to the right.
Fader adjust.
Alrighty, now we can look at our meters at our adjustments. All the way front, all the way rear, all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
Fader
set. Okay, now let's adjust the left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, that's 2 turns to the left, and now we're all the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, let's center those.
Some gold. I mean, it is so obvious.
Balance set.
Okay, and then the last thing we do before we turn it back to volume is we adjust our tone the way we like it, which is usually going to be fully counterclockwise. Okay, then after we've done all that, we just rotate this to the right again.
Volume hold.
Alrighty. And that lets you know
People use the cliche.
that lets you know that this is once again the volume control. And I accidentally activated the Bluetooth pairing again. So we're fully functional now. Make sure that the dial light works. Yeah, you can see it flashing on and off without even zooming in on the unit. So now we're going to turn it off, which is this button right here. And the job is complete, and I'm ready to get on to the next video and send this radio back to my friends at Phantom Electronics. So there we go. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old ancient AM radio. Even if the tone control is bad, we can work around that and make something else work as a tone control. So you've got control over your balance and fader functions and the general sound of the unit. So to reach me for service, please visit my website, which is in the description below. If you're serious about sending in your unit, you're going to have to print and fill out a work order anyway, so make that the first step before calling me. My work order has all my options, all my prices, including options for turn times, and it asks a bunch of questions to make sure the job's done to your specifications. Please don't call me until you've got a work order in your hand, because that will answer at least 90% of your questions, and that makes it a 5-minute phone call instead of a half-an-hour phone call, because on the bench is where the work gets done, not on the phone, guys. So please respect my need to be off the phone and on the bench. Do your homework assignment before you call me. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at Phantom Electronics in Thousand Oaks, California, and we'll see you guys next time.